Hello everybody, today we've got a Samsung Galaxy AO4 in for LCD replacement. I'm going to show you the steps from start to finish. Let us know what you think. If you've got anything at home now that you might need fixing, my email's allsorts815@gmail.com. Facebook Bargain Buster North East, Facebook Gadget Buster Repairs, TikTok Bargain Buster, Instagram Bargain Buster, Instagram Gadget Buster Repairs. Get in touch from there. Thank you very much. If you have anything at home lying around in the drawer, on the desk, don't forget to hit me up on our Facebook page, Bargain Buster North East.